In this video, I'll show you how to get your Google Docs page back to normal size. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, if your Google Docs page looks like this, I'm going to show you the 3 steps you can use to get it to the normal size, right? So the very first step you need to do, you need to click on this zoom icon. You need to zoom it to 100%. Yeah, this is the first size, right? This is the first way you can do this. Then the second way, you would go to this file tab, right? Click on this file tab, scroll down to the page setup, click on the page setup. Once you have clicked on it, you'll be displayed with some paper size options, right? You would come on here and select the A4, right? You can select the A4, the A3, the folio, the executive, any one of your choice. There are like, I think, around 10 options here, right? You would select anyone from your choice. Then the very last way, you'd click on this editing mode, right? Click on it, switch it on to the viewing mode. That is, you can read or print the final document of this your Google Docs page. If I click on it, you'll see how it will be displayed, right? If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.